Look at the sheer power here. The bow cuts through the waves, displacing tons of water. The rust tells a story of endurance.
All right, team, double check the rigging on the port side. We need to maintain tension throughout the hoist.
Roger that, Director. Cables are secure. Watch the swing on that beam.
All right, secure the latch on container 4.
Clear the forklift path now.
Bridge, this is the deck. The Director is signaling a priority target at 2 nautical miles, bearing 190. Acknowledge and deploy the drone immediately.
Capturing the scale of operations from above. The crew is preparing the heavy equipment, contrasting the orange gear with the deep blue sea.
Teeming with life and vibrant color, this is the very heart of the ocean's biodiversity. A truly awe-inspiring sight.
The bond between the clownfish and this magnificent purple anemone is truly one of nature's most perfect partnerships.
Known for their beautiful textured carapaces, the hawksbill sea turtle is a vital indicator of reef health, gliding effortlessly through the currents.
All right, bring it up slowly. Watch the swing on that buoy.
Roger that, steady as she goes.
The discovery of these carvings amidst the wreckage suggests a civilization far older than the galleon itself. As marine archaeologists, we rarely find a site so pristine.
Time moves differently here beneath the waves, the ancient vase marking the passage of ages, grain by grain.
Securing the finds methodically is crucial. We use the fine mesh baskets to protect delicate items like this ceramic amphora.
Confirm the payload is ready for lifting.
We're adding the high-density foam now to prevent any shifting during the lift. The key here is stabilization. Once the artifact is secured in the padded frame, we close the crate to prevent any movement during recovery. The diver ensures the ceramic vessel is snugly fitted before we begin the recovery.
After weeks of searching, the legend proves true. A treasure lost for centuries.
We are utilizing a focused microjet stream here. Notice how the pressure dislodges the encrustation.
Securing the treasure required considerable strength. The diver battles the sheer weight of the lid, displacing centuries of silt in the process.
Lower lifting gear.
All right, heave on my count. 1, 2. Okay, keep it coming. Look at that. The detail emerging is remarkable. The pressure is perfect.
The texture is incredible. We see dense clusters of barnacles mixed with deep green algae, completely obscuring the glaze.
The artifacts from this sector are secure in the lifting frame. We'll stabilize the crate before the main ascent.
Look at the detail on this carving.
It's incredible. We have to use this in the opening shot.
Hold the light right there. I think I've got the texture.
Observe the masterful craftsmanship. We handle it with the utmost care, and the padding safeguards its journey, preserving this moment in history.
The textures alone tell a story. The rough wood of the carvings, the gleaming gold, and the delicate ceramics all preserved remarkably well.
Notice the granulation on this medallion. It's incredibly fine work for this period.
We've got another intact amphora coming up.
Log it as 17B.
Roger that. And get me a shot of this inscription before the light shifts.
We need to ensure these notes match the inventory list precisely.
I'm double checking the stabilization codes now. Everything aligns. We're carefully clearing the sediment here to look for signs of disease before we log the sample.
The degradation on the ventral side is significant. Look closely at this section here.
This ceramic piece matches the shards we found yesterday.
And the glass here, it's definitely from the same period. We should log this comparison immediately.
The structural integrity of the Acropora specimen appears stable, though we are seeing signs of localized bleaching near the base.
Weather-resistant adhesive is critical for marine environments.
All units, this is Patrol Lead. Sector 4 is clear. Maintain vigilance. Over.
This aerial view highlights the organization of the cargo. The optimized stacking ensures stability even with the waves crashing below.